Welcome to the ML500 glove box, and it's missing the handle. So let's get this thing open and find a way to make a solution for it so it works again. Part of the reason to do this, when I go to like car-part.com and search for things, it's basically a used item and you don't know how well it's going to work. Similarly, eBay has some options, much more expensive than trying to DIY yourself. Push the lever down, pull it out. Great. So here's it works, it's just a pain in the butt. So this, and then it would work, which is a pain in the butt. So let's get the door off and find a solution. After taking out the 8 tiny little screws, there's also 2 push clips at the top. Remember to take off the harness for the light. Moving to the bench, go ahead and open it up, and there's a slider mechanism in it with a lever, so put that in a safe place. So here's the mechanism. Plan to take a little spray nozzle from a aerosol can, get it threaded through here. There's a little gap in here, so I'm going to see about building that up, and then it will need to still fit through the holes in here. And before getting too far, remember, find that slider mechanism and reinstall it before having the screws back in on the door. And do a quick tightening by hand. Now, in order to make this work, I did disconnect the box from the door, and so make sure to keep those pieces and put it back together before getting it back in the car and reinstalled. Time for the moment of truth. Reinstallation with the 8 screws, 2 push pins, and reinstall the light bulb harness. And we're good.